Make a great choice today with the 2020 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capabilities, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, power windows, tachometer, overhead console, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, speed control, low tire pressure warning, front wheel independent suspension, 4-piece floor mat set. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.